Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, our today's topic is tests for divisibility of numbers. It is class 6 mathematics. These tests and these techniques are very useful, particularly for the competitive exams. But here it is in our syllabus class 6 mathematics. Let us start and know about the tests of divisibility. The first one is divisibility by 2. Here we are supposed to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. For that very purpose, we have to remember that a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its units place. In its units place. Here, a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its units place. Example 204, 231, 6, 1428, 350, 162. Dear students, suppose we are supposed to check whether these numbers are divisible by 2 or not. We have to remember that only those numbers are divisible by 2 which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their units place. Here digit at the units place is 4, so it is divisible by 2. Here the digit at its ones place or units place is 6, so it is divisible by 2. Here the digit at units place is 8, so it is divisible by 2. Here in this number the digit at units place is 0, so it is divisible by 2. And in this number 142 the digit at the units place is 2, so it is divisible by 2. So we can say these numbers are divisible by 2. Now tests for divisibility. Number second is divisibility by 3. Here we are supposed to check whether a given number is divisible by 3 or not. For that very purpose, we can say that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3 or whether it is a multiple of 3. For example, 5, 4, 6, 3. Here we are supposed to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. For this purpose, we have to add all these digits 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 sum is 18. 18 is divisible by 3 or it is a multiple of 3. So we can say this number is divisible by, we can say 5, 4, 6, 3 is divisible by 3. Similarly, we can take other numbers, and for that very purpose we have to add their digits. If the sum of their digits is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3, So we can say the required number is divisible by 3. Now number third one is